I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about generating a landscape that actually feels like a real place. AI landscape images are scenic photographs generated from a written prompt, instead of captured on location. With the right prompt, a model returns depth, weather, and golden light that read as a real landscape. Landscape generators are diffusion models, the same technology behind AI portraits. They start from random noise and remove it step by step until a scene emerges that matches your words. Run the same prompt twice and you get two different valleys, because each begins from a fresh seed. So how do you make AI landscape images look real? You prompt in layers. Name the foreground, the midground, the background, the light, and the time of day. Then add a wide-angle lens and lean on weather, because haze and mist are what sell distance. Where do they still fall apart? Coherence. Rivers that run uphill, textures that repeat, water that does not match the sky, a horizon that warps. So generate in batches, zoom in, and cull hard for the frame whose light and geography hold together. The honest read on AI landscape images? A scouting and concepting tool, not a substitute for standing in a real place. There's a lot more where that came from at AIProphotography.com. Subscribe on YouTube so you don't miss the next one.